Hi, Thomas here. How can you get positive results fast? When you watch this short 3 minutes video, I show you how. Special times require special strategies. So I reach out by asking you two powerful focus questions. Question number 1, what are the crucial 5% of activities you should be doing right now to get better results fast? So don't think 80-20 rule, think 5% instead. What are the 5% that get you measurable results fast? I support individuals and their teams to get better results fast, such as less costs, more profit, less stress, and become crisis resistant. So focus question number 2, out of those 5% activities, what is the one thing that makes already a difference in the next 7 days? What moves the needle in your favor in the next 7 days? You probably know me because of my different roles as a trainer and speaker, marketing expert, and solution consultant since 1990. I guess you are forced by the current crisis to reshape your business strategies, to make your business more crisis resistant. I support individuals and their teams to get this done. In just 45 minutes calls, we explore strategic questions and we come up with eye-opening insights. And because of my outside-in view, I can challenge your thoughts and ideas in ways no colleague in your workplace can. And I point out action steps you have completely overlooked because of your blind spots. See, you don't know what you don't know, and it's costing you a lot. A lack of profit, unnecessary costs and stress, and losing business in crisis. So instead, uncover your blind spots. Go for a laser-focused clarity call that brings you immediate insights and results. And that's my offer to you in challenging but also fascinating times, a clarity call. Let me open your eyes to see new ways forward. Let me lead you to think outside the box. Let us come up with profitable action steps. If you're open-minded, let's have that clarity call. And by the way, the first one is complimentary. It's on the house, free of charge. To apply for it, just click on the link near this video and let's get you results fast. Less costs, more profit, less stress, and become crisis resistant.